In Chapter 2 of a thesis, organizing your topics means structuring the literature review around major themes or areas related to your research. Rather than summarizing studies randomly, an organized approach improves clarity, coherence, and logical flow. This makes it easier to understand how the literature connects to your study. Why is organization important? Enhances readability. A structured review is easier to follow. Provides logical flow, ideas progress smoothly from general to specific. Facilitates critical analysis, grouping related studies allows for comparison. Strengthens research arguments, well-organized themes provide a solid foundation. How to organize topics in Chapter 2. Use a thematic approach, group studies by major themes rather than listing them separately. Follow a chronological order, if relevant. Discuss literature based on its historical development. Categorize by theoretical perspectives, organize studies according to key theories. Compare methodologies, separate sections based on different research approaches. Start broad, then narrow down, begin with general background before discussing specific studies closely related to your research. Example of a literature review outline, introduction, purpose of the chapter. Theoretical framework, key theories supporting the study. Key themes, major areas related to the research problem. Theme 1, first major theme. Theme 2, second major theme, research gaps, identified gaps in the literature. Summary, how the literature informs the study. By organizing Chapter 2 effectively, your thesis remains structured, focused, and logically presented, ensuring a solid foundation for your research. If you want this kind of content, click subscribe to be updated on the next video.